Hi, good morning. Today I'm going to show how to do the sprouts with dal. I'm going to use the Mung dal. So the sprouts, how they come, I'll show you. In India, I see many people know this and they are eating in the morning time. I see some of the people. But here, here not many people know how to do the sprouts. So today I'm going to show those who don't know how to do the sprouts. So I'm doing this for them. Since I'm making in the house, I thought I'll just make a video and I'll put it in the YouTube so many of my friends in USA, they can see it. I start with 1 cup of the moong dal. So I take 1 cup of the moong dal. See the moong dal? You see that, right? It's a green, the big moong dal. So I pour that in one container. And this container, I use the 4 cups of the water. And I'll put 4 cups of the water. I'll put the 4 cups. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I do, I soak this overnight and I'll keep it in one side, and then next day morning it will become the big, this will become big because it soaks. So what I do, once it soaks, I filter all the water, and then I'll put it that in the one holes container. This is the whole container. I use that everything, all the dal I pour into this container, and then I'll put it in this. And because the whole container, you get the sprouts very good from the hole, the air goes in there, and then the easy to get the sprouts. So this is the container I used first to soak, and this is the container the second day. So I put this under this like this. I pour all my dal in this, and then I cover one white, not white, any paper. I put the paper towel here, and then I sprinkle the water, and 2-3 times a day I'll just come and sprinkle the water, then the second day. And once I soak this, like this in the second night. On the third day morning, you get the started coming the sprouts little bit. But you keep the third day morning also like that. And then once you keep that night of the third day, on the fourth day morning, I'll just come and see. You don't have to do anything on the third day. You just come and sprinkle the water. That's it. You just don't touch it. So on the fourth day morning, look at that. How big they are. So they're coming. It's very big. It's a sprouts, big sprouts, you get it, okay? So this is so crispy, fresh, and it will stay if you put it in the refrigerator. And I take this and I'll put it in one container and I'll keep it in the refrigerator 1 week. So you keep it every day this much, and then drink with any morning lemon juice or warm juice. And I eat this with the immunity powder juice because nowadays it's a corona, so many people are drinking every day morning healthy drinks or healthy food. So this is the best remedy. I made one YouTube video for the home remedy for the immunity juice. If you want, you can check that. That juice is very good morning to eat with this. So that is with the warm water, and they use that powder, and then put the lemon juice. And I have sometimes I use my tulsi leaves also in there, and keep it like 5-10 minutes, the warm one, and then stir it and drink that. And then with this Brussels sprouts, it's good for the health and a very good protein. And so try to get this habit of using this. I know maybe beginning some people may not like it, but it's not bad. It's very good. And some people, they put little bit onions in this to eat like a little nice mixture. So try to do this, and if you have any questions, you can ask me. And this is for all age people can use this, okay? So it's not only old people, so try to, even young people also try to use this, okay? Hope you like it, and if you have any questions, like I said, please ask me, okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.